Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can auto-save photos from Messenger app. So I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So before getting started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to update your Messenger application to the latest version. So logged into your Messenger account. If you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the chat page, and on this interface, you need to click on the profile icon located in the top right corner of your screen. And as you click on the icon, you'll be directed to this kind of interface. And right on this page, you'll need to scroll down, and then right in between you'll have an option as photos and media, where you need to click on it. Next, you'll redirect to photos and media, and under it you have multiple options. So then you need to toggle the switch for save on capture. So this indicates you have enabled auto save on your Messenger application. So whenever you receive photos and videos on Messenger, it will be automatically saved to your gallery. So that is how you can auto save photos from Messenger application. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.